In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your sound files and how to link them to a sound file DID. In this case, I've created fictitious DIDs that starts with 83, and these DIDs I'm going to use them for directing the calls from A2 billing to the sound files. So what you do here is you just come here and you create your inbound route, which is your DID as an individual or bulk, whichever way you want. Now I'm creating this 8831026, right? That's the DID I'm creating now. This is fictitious, it doesn't exist, but I have in my A2 billing, I have a destination with 83 that I created, with a prefix 83 that I created, and here I'll choose my announcement, right? Then I'll choose the sound file, and I'll show you next after this how to upload that sound file. Okay, now submit. Now you have now created your sound. You have now directed your DID to a sound file, and this DID is very important because we are going to use these DIDs. We are going to identify these DIDs and then use them in A2 billing to direct our customers to the IVR. Okay. Now, this is very important. Now I'm going to show you how to create the IVR or the announcement, the sound file that the listeners are going, that callers are going to listen to. Okay. Now, here is what I do. You go to system recordings. Okay, if you go to this panel, you will see it says, if you wish to make and verify recordings from your phone, please enter the extension number here. So if you want to record the sound file from an extension, you have to go here, create an extension, register the extension, and then write the number of the extension here, so that then you click go. Then you press *77 to start recording. Okay. Now, the easiest way is to upload a recording, but make sure if you are uploading a recording, you upload it at 16 bits, 8000 hertz. You can have your recording in MP3. Then just go to Google. Search for online sound file converter. There are lots of converters online, but I like using this one, audio.online convert. Okay, so what you do is, if you are having an MP3 file or any other file or a WAV file which is not compatible, you need to go there, choose the file, and then take whatever sound file you are having. Okay, take whatever sound file you're having, change it. Here you go to okay, sampling rates 18, the 16 kilobits per second, and you can choose mono or stereo, whatever you want. Okay, then so we want to convert this okay, we want to convert into a Wav file. We need to click that first. We want to convert into a Wav file, and then you can have an MP3 or whatever you are having, sound you are having. Okay, then you can 16-bit and 8000 hertz, and that's it. Then you convert the file, or you can put stereo or mono or no change, whatever. Then you can convert the file. Once it's converted, you can it's automatically downloaded. Now you have the file converted, so you can use it now. That's the proper format. You know, you have a file in proper format. Okay, but if right now, let's go to the semantics of uploading it. Okay, now you choose the file. Okay, choose whatever file. This is the one that we converted, so you can choose that file, open it. Okay, then upload it, press OK. Okay, you can change the name of the file, or you can just leave it as it is. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to leave it as it is. Right, so now you can see now I have 3 system recordings here. Okay, now I can go to announcements now and create an announcement using that file. Okay, so I can go to announcement, let's say tests, announcement, test announce. All right, I'm using this file from the recordings. Am I repeating the IVRs? Yes, I can repeat many times. Okay, or if you don't want to repeat, then don't repeat. Then after this, what do you want to do? After he has listened to this, what do you want to do? If maybe you are not repeating, but you are going from one file to another, after hearing one file, then you go to another, after hearing another file, you just go 0, repeat there, then maybe after this go to another announcement one day, or like that. Okay, or if you are just repeating the same file over and over again, you can repeat it, and then you here on destination, after the call, you can put terminate the call. Okay, you can put terminate the call. Okay, and submit. Now you have your announcement, your new announcement, right? So, okay, this is how you upload your announcement, your sound files that your callers are going to listen to when they phone in. So, and I've also shown you how to link that sound file to a DID, right? So let's say you don't have that DID now, you want to create it. Remember, our sound files, we are using the 83 DIDs, not the 24 DIDs. The 247 DIDs are the DIDs that we are getting from suppliers. The 83 DIDs are our fictitious DIDs that we were using to direct customers to our sound files. Okay, so let's create another a fictitious DID here. So our fictitious DIDs are with 832416. Anyway, we had already created a DID. We can use that. I showed you how to create it, so we can use that. So now destination, now instead of one day, we can just go to test announce, which we have created now. Then we can put it there. Okay, so this is basically how we upload our sound files, and how we can associate that sound file to a fictitious DID, right? So in the next video, now we are basically done with what the items that we do in elastics. We are basically done. These are the only things that we do in the elastics: the sound files and the DIDs from providers, and our fictitious DIDs, linking those fictitious DIDs to sound files. So this is basically what we do on elastics and FreePBX, which is hidden behind elastics. Okay, now we are going to go to A2 billing. In the next video, I'll show you now what we do when we go into A2 billing. Thank you.